but it doesn't stop us to make some great barbecue. We are doing today ribs. We're gonna smoke them on a pellet grill. I'm gonna show you marination and process. They turn out just amazing every time you do that. We wanna remove this from the ribs, and you don't want this. This is stuff, just throw it away. So, and then next thing is try as best as you can taking this off. I usually poke a hole with my knife, then I try to put finger in there. Do the same thing on this one. If you don't take this off, the flavors are not gonna get inside the ribs, and also ribs are want to kind of get curl. That this will be pushing your ribs kind of to turn like this. So to start with, I'm gonna use salt, and a little bit of paprika, and I'm using monkey fruit. You can use sugar. We are on keto diet, sucks, but we're gonna be using monkey fruit instead of sugar. So we're gonna flip them over and repeat the process. Kind of use it for your taste, you know, put it to taste. How salty do you want it? I don't like too salty. So all right, and then put this in. Now we are ready to put them on the grill. Let me wash my hands. We're gonna put those in here. I'm gonna use top rack, turn them to 250, and close it, and let it cook. Let this smoker get the job done. So this is pellet grill. If you got one, try them. They're really amazing. We'll be going step by step. we're gonna spray with solution. I have a wine here, dry wine. You can put apple cider with apple cider vinegar and spray it on top. To keep them moist. Now we're gonna be spraying them every hour or so. So on temperature is gonna go to 275. We're gonna apply barbecue sauce. I want barbecue sauce to get smoked. Looks good, just spread all over. Barbecue sauce on the other side as well, so after it now we are gonna fold them. Get yourself a good foil. Set it like this. Then we're gonna get those ribs. Transfer them here. Try not to make a hole. And wrap them nicely. So what I want to do, I want to spray a little more. If you have a thick foil, you can do one. If it's thin, make a couple. And we're gonna throw them back. Do the same thing with the other one. Spray. Put them back. We're gonna close it for another about 40 minutes or so, and we'll open and see the final result. What is your favorite ribs? Leave it in the comments. In about an hour, I think. So we're gonna pull out the ribs. I'm gonna open, see if it cooked the way I like it. Then we're gonna pull them out. If not, we're gonna put them back. So longer you cook in a foil, softer it gets. It depends on your likeness. If you want really soft, cook them longer. If you want a little bit harder, then you don't have to. So let's see. Oh, the smell. Woo! So I'm gonna get a little piece to see if I need to cook them longer or not. This is good for me. It's soft. It's soft enough. It's not falling apart. So I'm gonna show you. Look at this. Woo! Let's transfer this carefully. This is going back here. I'm gonna cut right in the middle. You can see this is smoked ribs right here. Let me cut one piece. I like to cut them before serving. It's much easier. So again, as I said, if you want them to be softer, keep them longer. But I like it like this, so let me try. As crazy as it sounds, this is still our tomatoes and it's January. We pulled them out before New Year and they getting ripe on their window. Look at that. So I'm gonna get a little tomato. I like olives. Look how red it gets. It's very smoky. The juice, look how much juice in there. It's very juicy. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So good.